Hi, and welcome back to the Mr. Brad Worden Show. And today I have a special. So every once in a while I like to go to Subway. And I like to get a sub. And it's always the hot and spicy sub. So I get my sub from Subway as hot as I can possibly get it. Okay, and this one was recommended to me by Brock. So thank you, Brock, for doing that. So I'll explain how I get my subs when I get them from Subway. And then I had another person challenge me to even amp it up even more and make it crazier, almost unedible. Well, every time I get this sub from Subway, the workers at Subway think I'm crazy for getting it this hot because usually nobody gets it that hot. So I get everything possible at the store that has heat to it. So I'll open it up and show you what I all have on it from the store. And it's very spicy indeed. So in my sub here, which is all closed now, but you can't really see here, I have a buffalo chicken, which is pretty much the hottest sub that you can get there. And then you can't see the cheese that was melted on. That's pepper jack cheese, which gives you some kick. So what buffalo chicken is this buffalo sauce. Then afterward, I get a little extra buffalo sauce, and then I put some chipotle on there too. They used to have sriracha at Subway, but they stopped carrying it. I'd get quite a bit of that put on. And then I always get extra jalapenos put on there too. And a little bit of onion and banana peppers for a little extra kick too. So that's what it has. So I'm going to add first, and then here's a bunch of my crazy hot sauces that somebody else wanted me to add. I'm going to first add some sriracha to it because that's usually what I used to get at Subway too. So after I add some of this to it, quite a bit there, and then mush it back together again. This is usually about what I used to get from Subway with all that on there. But then people challenged me to do some other crazy hot sauces on here. So what I have laying around, so some Melinda's ghost pepper sauce, which I add to wings and stuff sometimes, but we'll put some of that in there. Some red honey habanero sauce, Dashlitos habanero hot honey sauce. Oh, yeah. Oh, comes up pretty fast there. Got a bunch of that all over there. Now the two most hardcore ones I have, some Dave's ghost pepper sauce. This is pretty hardcore. I might want to take it a little bit slow on this one, because this stuff's pretty amped up. We got a couple drops here and there. A little bit of crust off the edge too. And then the end flatline sauce, which this is extremely hot. Like, whew. Oh, there's a couple drops there. Oh dear. Quite a few more drops than I would have liked there. So let's smoosh it together. This might just be, at this point, the world's hottest Subway sub. Unless somebody's created something hotter, I don't know. Meanwhile, on the other end of things, Little Man of Fire is going to try one with some jalapenos on it, but declined. He said it was too hot tonight. So it's just going to be me with this crazy hot Subway sub, which was recommended by Brock tonight. So, and then, oh, sorry, I almost forgot. Little Man of Fire passed on his jalapenos, so we have to, I have to add those in there, a few extra so they don't go to waste. One more. And then also, side, these aren't too hot, but a side to some scorching barbecue Pringles. Pour out what I have left of those, although people have been eating those, so there's not tons there, so that'll be my side of chips. I'll just finish those up too here. Alright, so here we go. On the Subway Sub of Doom, I'll call it. Wow, we definitely have some hot going on. Flavor's actually not too bad here so far. Ooh, got some of the hot sauce going on in that bite. Ooh. That's either Dave's or the, I think that's the end. All kinds of sauce. And I'm also going to do this without having any drinks with it. Trying to pick up the extras as I go here. Oh, very hot. Oh man, oh there's no more napkins, is there? Woo! Alright, I'm halfway done with this salad. And I have a nice hot to burn going. I would say probably for an average person this would be probably a 10. It's scorching me, you know. But for the chili head, probably be at like maybe like the 4 or 5. Here we go for the second round. Second half of the footlong sandwich. Pretty good though, good flavor. Got all those things I put on there. So it's not just unbearably hot, but it actually tastes pretty good other than the flame burning inside my mouth right now, but bunch of jalapenos. Ooh. And that bite had something on there. Nothing like eating some jalapeno smothered in the end sauce. some extra sauce here to snip on. All right, tasty dinner tonight with a sub, and then we've got extra Scorching Pringles chips here. For my side, nice and toasty red. Obviously, if you're not like me and you're not chili head, you probably don't want your dinner that hot. Me, I didn't mind it. I thought it tasted good. My mouth still got a great burn going on in there, but not unbearable. Like I said, for a chili head, probably like 4 or 5, which is a real solid burn, but not like I'm gonna roast and burn. All right. This has been the Subway Sub of Doom on the Mr. Brad Worden Show. So, like this one, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks to all the people that recommended not only the hot sub, but the crazy extras here. It was good. It was hot. It was a pretty good challenge to eat that. That's the hottest I've ever made it. I always get it from Subway, as hot as I can possibly get it there. And then amped it up a little bit with some of my other sauces and condiments and additions I had. So, hope you liked it. Stay tuned for some other great challenges and videos upcoming. And we will see you next time on the Mr. Brad Worden Show.